Now Cap brought stories, and Wah brought lore, but Abd Al Malik said, boys, we gonna need a little more. When the empires crashed, Persians and Romans beat each other trash. Jerusalem shaking, nobody in charge, and the movement getting bigger, but the lines were large. Some prayed this way, some prayed that, some talked Torah, some talked that. The whole thing loose like a wagon wheel spoke. Abd Al Malik said, fellas, this thing needs a logo. Put it on a coin, boys, put it on a wall. If you wanna build an empire, you gotta brand it all. Stamp it in gold, boys, carve it into stone. By the time the people noticed, the empire had its own. Now the traders got coins with Arabic lines. No Caesar faces staring this time. Old Roman money getting swept aside. New empire rolling in with pride. Then he built that dome up over the stone. Said, this right here gonna anchor the throne. Words on the walls where pilgrims stare, letting everybody know exactly who's there. Put it on a coin, boys, put it on a wall. If you wanna build an empire, you gotta brand it all. One creed, one language, one market, one throne. By the time the dust had settled, the movement had a home. Well, Cap brought the stories, Wah brought the change, Abd Al Malik brought the marketing campaign. Some men fight with an army strong. Some men write what the people sing on. Some men carry sacred flame, and some men know how to market a name. That old caliph looked around one day, said, boys, we gotta tighten up the brand display. Next thing you know, from Spain to Sindh, everybody's spending what he stamped back then. Put it on a coin, boys, put it on a wall. If you wanna build an empire, you gotta brand it all. Stamped into gold, boys, flying every road, and the whole world still remembers what Abd Al Malik sold. He didn't write the stories, didn't light the flame, just put a logo on the movement and gave the power a name.